some of these cabbage leaves because I'm going to make this as a side dish today for dinner. So let me take some of this netting off and let's harvest some for dinner. I've got my smoked turkey meat drumsticks already in my pot with my onions and my bell peppers and my seasonings. So the meat's cooking. Now I just need to get the star attraction, which is these greens. So let's see what we can harvest for these greens. Let's see. I know you guys just saw my other video of me showing you how good they were growing. So now let's harvest them and let's do a taste test to see how great they taste. So let me remove some of this. Netting. And see. So excited about trying these. Alright, let's harvest this side first. I got my little container, I got my scissors, let's go. I got my bucket down here. So, let's see what we can do. Alright, let's see. I'm going to take the lower leaves. Look at this. Beautiful. Isn't that a beautiful leaf? Can't wait to eat these. Gorgeous. Got a little bit of bug, little hole, but not a lot. Put it in this way to give it some more room to grow. Look how the size of these leaves are. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Gorgeous. I love it. Cute. It has been dying to taste these leaves. Now these ones, they got a little bit of holes and stuff, so I'm going to make a pile down on the ground for those. I don't see any heads heading up, so look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm not going to make a lot, but I just want them eager to taste them and see. Alright, let's get on the back side. Love it. Take it off the bad leaves while I'm in here. That way, getting some nice room to grow. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Let me show you. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Look at that. Gorgeous. Love it. This one got something been in there eating on this one. Look at that. So the netting is not a foolproof type of thing, but at least it's enough to where it's not totally a wash. These are nice and crispy. They've been kissed by some frost. All my greens that I pulled out of my red raised garden bed. So cabbage leaves, here we go. I'm gonna cook them all up, wash them up. They came out really good. Look at the size of some of these leaves. They are fantastic. So let's just let you know that if you put your mind to it, you can grow anything. And now my family will benefit from all my hard work in the garden by eating some cabbage leaves. Woohoo! And these leaves look just like the ones that you would buy in the grocery store. All right, so when I get them all cooked up and ready to serve, I'll come back and let you guys see how they turned out. I can't wait to eat these. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. Here is the finished product of my cabbage leaves that I have cooked. Let me give you a close-up look. I have my smoked turkey in there, and I have some beautiful cornbread to enjoy with this delectable, yummy dish. It looks so good, and it makes you feel so happy that I have grown something out of my garden, and I know exactly what I put in it, and I didn't have to go to the grocery store in order to purchase it, because I just had to go out into Renee's garden and pick my own food, my wonderful cabbage leaves that I've turned into a beautiful dish for my family. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give your girl a thumbs up, share me out, leave a comment down below, and give your girl a thumbs up. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and Miss Renee will catch you in the next video. One more look at my cabbage leaves turned into a beautiful meal.